Hey, so check it out. We got an update. So last time y'all seen this house, I don't think we had anything on the ground. So we done poured the foundation and we done went up on it. Let's check it out. Let me walk right through. Got 2 bedrooms in the front. It's gonna be the walk section right here. 2 bedrooms in the front though. Woo! Gonna be able to make it through, baby? My wife recording this. I ain't calling y'all baby in here. So we got a restroom that's gonna be right here. That's why we got plumbing right here. Got a closet. We standing in the bedroom. We got another bedroom right through here. Better come through. Now I don't know how we gonna get through this. We gonna manage. So they got all this standing up right now. So this is the living room. All this is the living room, as you can see. We got a decent amount of ceilings in here. Got a pretty high ceiling. Got the living room. We're gonna come right into the kitchen. It's gonna be all opened up. So it's gonna be an open concept when you first come into the house. There's a entryway right over there. Yup, looking good, looking good. YouTube, stay with me. I know it's been a while, but I wanted to show you guys some progress on some of these properties. Walk through here. We got the laundry room. Then we got a pretty good sized master. Now I must admit, I gotta admit when we're talking about this, masters and kitchen sales properties, right? So this is a smaller property and we knew that. But let me tell you about the owners that's gonna buy this property. Most people don't care about how big the kids' rooms is, right? So when you go and build, don't build huge guest bedrooms because nobody who's gonna be there, the kids or the guests, right? So what you wanna make sure a lot of your space as far as the master is there, that way it can sell, right? So that's exactly what we did. Even in here, as far as the master bath, right? Have a master bath right here, double vanity. We got, I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is gonna be the shower right here. Nah, that look like the drain. So this is gonna be the shower right over here in the corner. We're gonna have a toilet right here. Then you walk in, guess what you got? You got a decent sized closet, right? Now I know you guys can't really see it, but you got a decent sized closet here, right? So that's really the biggest thing. You just wanna make sure you guys you put enough money into the kitchen, into the master, that way you can sell faster. If you don't really have that, you're gonna be in trouble. So like I said, the living room is nice and open concept. The bedrooms, now I'll be honest, our bedrooms are pretty good size. All of them, all the way around. It's still pretty good size, but the main thing, like I said, is just making sure you have open concept, high ceilings, vaulted ceilings, what we got here. Not vaulted, but they're high ceilings. And then you got a decent sized master, decent sized kitchen, because that sells houses. Don't put a lot of money in these guest bedrooms. Let's put money in what makes us money. This right here is a 322. Not a 322, it's a 3.2. There's no garage, decent backyard, and it's probably gonna hit the market for about 170. We're gonna be all in, and we're gonna make a little bit of profit right here. We anticipated about $150,000. Lumber, all this went up on the property. So with lumber going up, it basically drove the price up to the consumer. So now it's gonna sell for 170. It was initially supposed to sell for 150, but thank God now we get to make some money as well. Because before when we was holding it, it was really looking like slim margins, not even worth it. But right now it's worth it. So this is an update. Comment below if you guys got any questions, concerns about it. Hopefully we can drop another video sooner. Let's go.